Hello. So I hope everybody's ready because today is day 1 for our 30-day cleaning challenge. I know I said I was going to start it November 1st. Today's November 3rd. We're going to get through this, okay? Now, I'm not going in any order. I'm actually just doing a whole bunch of them in the next 4 days because I'm off for the next 4 days. Yeah, so we're just going to do this. But you're going to see one video a day, okay? Okay? All right, so let's go do this. I think today we are going to do wipe down the light switches. Okay, let's go do that. Right back. All right, I'm just going to take my EnviroCloth that, I don't even know, okay. So I'm just going to take my EnviroCloth, I have it wet, that's all I'm going to use. Nothing fancy. It works, it's great, and well, why not, okay? Okay, let's go. Oh, mine are dirty. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. One down. Way too many more to go. Okay, day 1 of the cleaning challenge. Done. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Quick way just to do one little thing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if so, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another cleaning video. Bye.